Hey everybody, hopefully you didn't burn yourself up with fireworks for 4th of July. Well, guess what? It's 111 degrees right now here in Burbank, 2 days later. And because of the excessive heat, I will not be having a regular open house at 124 North Niagara Street here in good old Burbank. It's just too hot. However, if you really want to see the place, give me a call at 818-813-4583 and I will meet you there and open it up for you. I live about 15 minutes away, so give me a call. If I can, I will show it to you. Stay cool, everybody. Stay safe.